सत्र में अमेरिका से हमारे साथी मान्यवर संदीप चौहान साहब आने वाले थे, लेकिन कुछ कारणवश मान्यवर संदीप चौहान साहब अमेरिका से पहुंच नहीं पाए, लेकिन उन्होंने अपना एक संदेश भेजा है और वे संदेश डॉक्टर कुमार नागेली साहब जो कि इंटरनेशनल कोऑर्डिनेटर है बामसेप के, उनके पास उन्होंने वो संदेश भेजा है। मैं अनुरोध करता हूँ डॉक्टर कुमार नागेली साहब को कि मान्यवर संदीप चौहान साहब अमेरिका, इनका संदेश पढ़कर आप लोगों को बताएं।
जय मूल्यवासी साथियों, संदीप चौहान साहब जो कि हैदराबाद से है और आप सभी लोगों को पता है हैदराबाद में 4 मीनार है और 4 मीनार के 4 पिलर है और संदीप चौहान साहब बामसेप के एक पिलर है। तो जो अमेरिका में रहते हैं और काफ़ी सपोर्ट करते हैं मूवमेंट को, और जिसके वजह से तेलंगाना में बहुत अच्छी तरीके से बामसेप और भारत मुक्ति मोर्चा का कार्यक्रम और नेटवर्क बहुत तेज़ी से बढ़ रहा है। उन्होंने एक संदेश भेजा है, मैं वो आपके सामने पढ़ के सुनाना चाहता हूँ। जय भीम, जय मूल्यवासी फ्रेंड्स, it is very inspiring to hear that people came in large number, several thousands more than last year, to the national convention in spite of unfortunate and alarming events prevailing in the country. My apologies to all that I could not make it to India due to visa issues. Even though I am not here physically, I am wholeheartedly here. My Jai Bhim salutes to our leaders, Honorable Vaman Meshram Sahab and each one of you present here. You must have already heard about the draconian plan to implement NRC CAA all over the country and how it impacts SC/ST OBCs as badly as it impacts our Muslim brother. Once this is implemented, they can pick and choose whom they want to give citizenship. Full RSS machineries, BJP, Congress, Manwadi media, fake news channels and WhatsApp agents groups etc. is showing Muslims only as a target so that SC/ST, OBC do not join hands with our Muslim brothers. Divide, isolate, eliminate is their plan. All this done at time when country was going through a bad phase due to demonetization, GST failure, alarming call given by Supreme Court senior judges, misuse and mockery made of institutions like RBI, CBI and worsening situation of Indian economy, etc. The BBC coverage of detention camps build so far is ringing a dangerous bell of the worst things that they are yet to come if we don't act. You can see we are moving from bad to worse very rapidly. In these circumstances, we fail to unite and put up united voice, we will soon see ourselves at a point of no return. I am sure all understand this and will act to support movement like BAMSEP, Bharat Mukti Morcha and Bahujan Kranti Morcha with everything they can. Therefore, it is too late. The same and united voice raised against NRC CA around the world is something positive to look for. If one tries to do root cause analysis and applies the Pareto's principle to identify 20% of causes for 80% of current problems of all oppressed, one can see that the very statutory bodies which are created to protect the oppressed are being misused to deny justice. All these bodies seems to be completely under the control of Manwadi system. The Election Commission of India, the Bar Council of India, Medical Council of India, the Reserve Bank of India, Central Bureau of Investigation, Police, Press Council of India and other similar agencies like Planning Commission of India, Niti Aayog, University of Grants Commission and various state unions and all organizations, various reputed NGOs and various religious and social institutions, etc. Since these are all run or controlled by Manwadi system, we will have to create our own strength in parallel so that all statutory bodies can be gradually taken over for welfare of all by forcing them into implement the Constitution of India. BAMSEP and Bharat Mukti Morcha with support from many other like-minded organizations are already building parallel organizations like Indian Medical Professional Association, Indian Lawyer Association, Bharatiya Vidyarthi Morcha, Rashtriya Mool Nivasi Bahujan Karmachari Sangh, MNTV, etc. I suggest all to join hands to strengthen the organizations so that the hands and voice of oppressed strengthen. Door-to-door campaigning to create awareness amongst each and every Bahujan is very critical as Manavadi media tries to brainwash our innocent youth day in and day out through their electronic media, fake news. Let us hope that we bring focus of the nation to back building of the art public school, public hospitals, public transportation, infrastructure, security. Let's make sure that than 8.5 lakh crores bank loans which are written off by banks are accounted for. Let's make sure lakhs of crores of black money stashed inside and outside country is brought back into the system. Let's make sure the Constitution of India is implemented in its true letter and spirits. Let's together we join our nation. If not now, then when? I tried to do my part by contributing with my talent, time, treasury from time to time. Additionally, I am contributing rupees 50,000 through one of the activists for this year national convention. I hope all will do your part. Please do. Together we can. Together is the best place to be. Thanks so much for listening. Jai Bhim, Jai Mulnivasi, Jai Bharat.
धन्यवाद सर। साथियों, उद्घाटन सत्र अभी हम लोग शुरू कर रहे हैं और उद्घाटन सत्र का जो विषय है उस पर बात रखने के लिए